My name is Megan and I'm a bar instructor here for Roanoke County, and today I'm going to show you how to properly do a bar squat. So there are two ways that you can do a squat on the bar. The first way that you can do it is in first position. While you are doing this V stance, you do want to make sure that you do have your hips tucked and a nice long and straight tailbone. This is going to help to prevent any injuries, as well as make sure you're not having any strains while you are lowering while you're doing your squat. So the first thing you want to do is have a slight bend in the knees, bringing out the first arm, and you're going to slowly come down while keeping those heels together, and then slowly coming back up and back down and up. You may feel a little shake as well, but that's good. That just means that your muscles are working. And it's very important to have these muscles nice and controlled as you are doing the movements. And if you ever want a little more, it's okay to elevate onto the tippy toes. And you can also squat and pulse down here, putting all the pressure into your big toes. Another way that you can do a squat at the bar is in second position, also known as a plie squat. You're going to go ahead and bring out your other foot here, bring the arm also in front, and you're going to slowly come down. Make sure that those toes are slightly slanted. Try not to hinge forward. Always keep that back and neck nice and straight. And we come down and back up and down. Another alternative, it's okay to bring the arm up nice and heavy over top of the head, and you can come down and back up. Tippy toes are also an option here. Slowly raising, putting all the pressure into the big toes and coming down and back up and down. And if you want to hold it up, we can get into a pulse. You will feel a big burn here, and you'll just slowly come down and down and down and down. You can hold for an isometric hold here and slowly bring the heels back down. So if you haven't done bar before, bar is actually the sister to Pilates. It's also a really great low impact workout that everybody can do. It doesn't matter your age, your gender, your size, anything. With this workout, you only need to start doing it maybe 20 to 30 minutes a day to build your endurance for it. I would highly recommend to start practicing bar at home to help you to get familiar with the squat exercises. Now in bar, it is high energy. Sometimes it can be high pace as well. We do a lot of repetitive movements. That way you can help your body to get adjusted. Bar is a great exercise for everyone. Anyone can literally do this. It's very low impact. This is something that is going to help you to increase your heart rate, also to help you tone and sculpt the body. We hope to see you here at the Brambleton Center. The benefits of coming with us is you'll have an amazing instructor, an amazing fun-filled class, and everyone is welcome.